Welcome to RPG Maker News. I'm your host, Salik. And in today's news we have An Enemy Battler of a Harpy by Ujie Masala, a character art of a male in a suit by Raiko, a girl by Bad Dog Suhan, a fantasy male, and 3 fantasy females by Nia Hoya. Slow Living with Princess, a farming sim game where you farm stuff with the princess. An MVNMZ plugin by Isabella Eva that allows us to dynamically change battler position in and out of battles. An MZ plugin by Casper Gaming that allows us to add a credit scene with different categories. An MZ plugin by Hakuen Studio that allows us to use multiple fonts in our game by having different fonts in different windows and scenes. An MZ plugin by Grega Duckman that changes the perspective of Effekseer animations to match the default 2D top-down view instead of looking 3D. An MZ plugin by Toria Kontan that allows limiting targets of skills under conditions. A productivity software by Sun that allows us to track how much time we spend developing our game while using the computer, and how much time we spend procrastinating. It shows us all of this in percentage. Retro Style Animated Balloons by Moogle Rampage. A tileset and animated sprites of a magic shop interior by Cattle Call Inc. and Gotcha Gotcha Games. And lastly, an article tutorial by Mirai of Nikogakuen on how to deploy MV and MZ games to macOS using RPG Maker on Windows, because normally you need to deploy it from a macOS for it to work on macOS. So this tutorial is meant to show how to deploy it to macOS from Windows. And that is all for today. Go back to game making now.